Hi, it's Sandra again, and I wanted to show you something cool I just ordered from Maniology. This is their $15 mystery gift, and for $15 you get 10 items. I think that it's really risky ordering this when you've stamped for a while and have accumulated a lot of stuff, because you always take the risk of getting duplicate items. But I decided to go for it and see exactly what was in the mystery kit. So I wanted to open it and show you what kinds of things they give you in these kits. So I just got this today, and pull all this stuff out. And one of the signature things that Maniology gives you is these little jellies, and they're like gummy candies, and they're very good. So today I got a pineapple. So this is the whole bag of stuff that I got for $15, which is pretty impressive considering how much plates and polish costs. So I'm going to open this up. First thing I'm going to open right here is, looks like some kind of nail polish or stamping polish. Open it up. So I got a little bottle of this color, which is called Sassy. And what I'll do is I will mix it up. Put some paper towel down, and we'll stamp it and see how it looks. So it's kind of a purple. It's a purple color, probably a medium purple. It's very pretty, and I don't believe I have this one. So let's take a stamper, and let's take a stamp. Stamp that I already have. And let's put this one on. So we'll get a scraper. That's what's great about Maniology too, because what they do is they give you these, on the top lid is these little, they have this little black and white area, and that way when you put the stamp on there you can see how it's going to stamp on dark colors and light colors. So here's the stamp, and I'm going to place it on here. Oh, it didn't show through. It was too quick. It was not quick enough. So let me do it again. Try it again. Okay, so there's the stamp, and I don't know if you can see it very well, but it does show up good on white, and it doesn't show up bad on black. So it's actually a pretty good stamping color, and it's opaque, so you can definitely see it. So that's a nice stamping color. So that's the first thing I got. Clean this off. All right, let's open up this box. And this box, oh, before we do that, we have this little, I don't know what this is. Oh, little files. So these are little teeny nail files with little designs on them. So those are really cool. You can always use an extra nail file. Then we have a box here, and it looks like some more polish. Now this was a small polish bottle. So let's see what's in here. The box kind of looks like they're large or full size. Okay, so I've got two full-size bottles. One is called Seashell and the other one is Chrysalis. So I do believe I have the Chrysalis one already. Seashell I don't think I have. I think the one that I actually have is, let's see, this one is called Love Potion. So they're a little similar, but the new one that I got, the Seashell, is a little darker pink. So that's kind of cool. So let's stamp on these. So we'll do the Chrysalis. Stamp that right on there. And you can see it's very light on the white, but on the black you can see it's still a pale color though. It's not very bright. Okay, so that was Chrysalis. And then let's do this pink. And again, it's called Seashell. So there's Seashell. So it's almost like a fluorescent pink. It shows up good on the black and it shows up good on the white. So that's a really pretty color. So far, even though I have lots of supplies, these two colors, Sassy and Seashell, I do not have in my collection. So that's good. So let's go on. So these are really great for beginners. I think this is a great way to start accumulating stuff and trying things, because when you first start you really don't know what colors you want or how they work and what colors they stamp out and if you use them and you know all of that. So it's really cool if you get these when you first begin, because it kind of gives you some ideas on what to do. And by the way, Maniology, and I do believe most of them have this, if you go on their website and you look under these plates, they usually give you stamping ideas, and sometimes they copy exactly what the stamping idea is. They come up with some great ideas. And I do believe, so these, I believe these separately, I'm trying to think how much Maniology charges for their stamping polish. I think it's $5. And then the plates are this size, are usually 7. So I had 2 full ones, which would be 10. And I don't know what the mini ones are. So with 2 full ones and with 2 full stamping polishes, that's $10 right there. So I spent $15 on all of this. So that I didn't get that plate with it, but anyway, so I've got the 3 stamping polishes, the file so far. And I believe these are rub-on stickers. Or no, they're actually peel-off stickers. So those are cool. They're kind of like plants. So I've never tried these. So that's a neat way to try something, is to get them in a kit. I have, these look like some kind of a transfer sticker as well. And this one looks like, and you know, I really don't know what these are. I've never used these. So these look like transfer stickers. And then this looks like it's an iridescent transfer sticker as well. I'm not sure if it's, let's open this up and see what this is. If you don't know what something is, just go online, look it up, and see what it is. Usually you can tell by the name, or they'll show you on some kind of picture what they are. They do look like stickers though. So let's look. Or this might be a, let's look. It might be a cutout too. I don't know. I'll have to look for that. Those are kind of new, cool though, because there's something I've never used before. I'm not sure if you take out the stencil and use them like a stencil, or if they're actually stickers. These have got to be some kind of sticker though. So I got those. Now they've sent me 3 plates. So let's look what the plates are. And it looks like it's 3 plates I do not have. They have this one, which is called Maniology M031. And it looks like it's got, it's got a whole bunch of stuff in it. It's got a tree, and it's got, it looks like the Mary Poppins and some stuff from Alice in Wonderland. And some more trees over here and flowers. And it looks like a spider web over here, and a card, the Ace of Hearts. And then a bunch of roses, a vine of roses here, and a butterfly. And the teacup. So it looks like almost like a fantasy cup. It's got a bicycle here. So that's kind of cool. I haven't seen that plate, and I do not have that plate. That's number 1 plate they sent. And these are usually around $7. So far I've got, I don't know how much the stickers are, but I got 2 full stamping polishes, which would be, I believe, $5 a piece. And then 3 plates at $7 a piece. So what's that? That's 10. And I'm not sure what the small stamping polish costs. So this is way over $15. Even the shipping. Altogether I paid, I believe it was $19 and some change. So this one is Maniology M077, and it looks like it's got a bunch of little animals in it. Here's a little, I don't know if that's a porcupine or a hedgehog, and then it's got a little bear and a ball, and a little snow globe. So this almost looks like a Christmas themed one. So that's really cute. It's got a little snowman up here. I do not have this plate, and it's very cute. And then the last one, this looks like a princess or like a Cinderella or Snow White plate. They've got a castle and the shoe and some decorative stuff on the side here. And here's a pumpkin, a carriage pumpkin, and a little dress with the mice on it. So this is cool too. Very nice. Those are really nice. This is called Happily Ever After, BM Extra Large 195. So all 3 of the plates are things that I don't have and are really nice. I'll definitely use them. So this was just a video to tell you that Maniology has these kits that they sell are, I think, really reasonable. Again, their plates are very good. The images are very detailed. It's very easy to pick up. And they do have a wide variety of plates. And if you were to buy just 1 plate, I think they're around $7. So they're a very reasonable company, and I do really, really like their stuff. And their starter kits are nice, and their mystery kits, one time I bought a mystery kit of gel polishes because I do gel with the UV light every once in a while, and I also got a nice assortment of those too. So anyway, I just thought I'd show you one of their mystery kits. Very nice, and I will talk to you later. Thank you.